Synod High Secondary School Mission Compound kalayo ban Pynkup Burom ya ki sispa sa phoprangot ki Khynnah pule ki bala pass pa ya ka examination SSLC but HSSLC jong une usnam ajar pusang but ya ka program Pynkup Burom la pelong ha community hall Mission Compound hang negisngi lawan bandon lang daw Reverend WC Kongwir ubade President ka Managing Committee jong ka school rengkat ka jingsunran lang i Mrs Sandra Tongper ibade principal kinohika Khynnah pule bat ki kimi pa na kaleng ka school kala Pynkup Burom ki angot ki Khynnah pule ki bala pass pa haka SSLC ki bagan thop ye inai ni 100 nong tede ibala yo khandai phosa 0.99% but ila hun shishan molong bala yo khandai phulai 0.1% but ki angot ki bala pass bha haka HSSLC bagan thop ya dapi shisha langstang ibala yo nyeu phosan 0.5% haka commerce but ibahun Mary Lawai ibala yo prapo 0.0% haka arts.
A round of applause, please. Meaning on your marker. 94 marks out of 100 in mathematics.
My heartfelt gratitude to the person who, in spite of their busy and hectic schedule, still managed to accompany me today, my wonderful mother and aunt. Thank you for being strong for me. To our dedicated teachers and mentors, thank you for your unwavering support, patience and invaluable wisdom. You have not only imparted knowledge but also inspired us to strive for excellence in all we do. Ma'am, sir, we are really sorry if sometimes we seem not to be interested in your lectures and for causing you headaches, but deep inside we are grateful for every piece of knowledge that you have shared with us. To our friends, thank you for your love and support, and to our families, thank you for your endless love, encouragement and sacrifice.
For His guidance and blessings that have led me to achieve the 5th position in the MPOS SSLC examination 2024. So it is a testament to His grace and the unwavering support of my teachers and my parents. So I am acutely aware that success is not achieved in isolation. It is the result of a supportive community, a productive environment, and the result of a lot of sacrifices. So therefore, I accept this honor on behalf of all those who have contributed to my success, directly or indirectly. So to our esteemed principal and vice principal, thank you for your visionary leadership and your unwavering dedication to our school's success. We will forever be grateful for your tireless efforts. So I would also like to express my deepest appreciation to my teachers whose guidance, support and dedication have been instrumental to my success. So their unwavering commitment to excellence and their belief in my potential have truly put me forward, and I will again forever be grateful for their tireless efforts. I also take this opportunity to thank my family, specifically my father, my brothers and my aunt who is here with us today. So their courage and support have always been my strength. And to my mom, though she's no longer with us, I want to express my gratitude to her. Her love, guidance and strength continue to inspire me every day. So to my fellow classmates, thank you for your companionship, collaboration and friendly competition, which have urged me to push my boundaries and reach new heights. As we proceed, let us also never forget the importance of gratitude. Gratitude for the opportunities we have been given. Gratitude for gratitude for the support of our teachers, our friends, family, and for the gift of education itself. So being said this, the one thing that I can never be more proud of is the honor to have served as the assistant head girl of the school, a role that has taught me invaluable lessons in leadership, responsibilities, and have enriched my character. So it has been an honor to represent my peers and contribute to the betterment of our school community. So my dear friends, today as we prepare to leave our school, our beloved school, let us carry with us the spirit of companionship, the joy of learning, and the hope of a brighter future. As we prepare to leave the familiar halls of our school behind, let us carry with us the lessons that we have learned, the memories that we have cherished, and the friendships we have built. Each one of us has been shaped here, and it is these experiences that will lead us in the future.
Especially with you, the students. And first is that we don't expect anything good from anywhere. I'll come to that. You say, Pastor, what do you mean? Don't expect, especially you students. I never expect why I say to you like that. I don't need to wait for the reservation policy. I think all of you are aware, all these months, days, lots of people gathering, lots instead of reservation policy. Why? Why should we wait? We expect for that reservation, isn't it? Especially to you there, passing our students of Synod Higher Secondary. Why should we need to wait for that reservation? We can fight ourselves, isn't it? You have done so good in your exams. What else you need? Continue to fight. Don't expect for this reservation. I personally don't like much. Why should that 40% remain with us, maybe all Hasi community? So don't believe in that. Neither also should we be so happy with the news that we are free from common university tests, CUT. Okay? Maybe because of the disturbance and the improper methods of conducting this exam. But I will encourage you. Don't be scared and don't feel tired to write the CUT test, because in the long run, you will only be benefited from it. Not only here in Meghalaya, everywhere in the rest of the country, isn't it? Therefore, I encourage you, for those who have done your test, well and good. For others who have not taken CUT, better that you go for it, because that will carry you for your future endeavors ahead. So this is my wish and my prayer and my encouragement to you, the students, that you go on, fight and struggle hard. We know that we are not struggling alone. For all of you, I believe you are Christians. We know that the Lord is with us. Why should we be scared? Why should we be terrified or scared that all these things surround us? Go and continue your good works.